Are you searching for the best CNC electric tapping machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CNC electric tapping machine in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. M3 M16 CNC Electric Tapping Machine, Servo Motor, Electric Tapper Drilling. Electric tapping machine is applicable to all machinery manufacturing industry, machine tool, mold machinery, plastic machinery, printing machinery, packaging machinery manufacturers, engineering machinery, automobile motorcycle parts, aviation engines, rolling stock, tobacco machinery and general machinery and other industries. The tapping motor of the tapping machine is balanced and perpendicular to the suspension support frame, which can keep the tapping motor moving to any position and can be kept perpendicular to the workbench. The tap of the tapping machine is equipped with overload protection device. With the clamping head of overload protection device, the safety clutch can be adjusted when the tapping exceeds the rated torque and can avoid damage to the tap. The machine can be used in single-phase 220 volts power supply. It has the advantage of high-cost performance, lower price, and more function than the domestic and international model machines, and many inventions surpass other brands. Advanced mechanical design, all kinds of processes are used in molding production with low cost and beautiful appearance. Simple and flexible operation, able to quickly locate and accurately process complicated and bulky work. Optional, universal head. The work head can adjust at any angle, vertical, horizontal, lateral, high and low, can tap the silk. The taper sleeve has an overload protection device to ensure that it does not damage the tap, the load balance in the tapping process, the high precision of the screw processing, and the protection of the torsion force. Infinitely variable speed can adjust any speed. The speed can be set on the controller. Manual, automatic, and gap 3 modes of work are your choice. Automatic mode can control the tapping depth effectively. Without operation button, it is controlled automatically by the depth controller. Rapid positioning, quick tapping speed, and high production efficiency. Servo drive control. Overcome the limitations of pneumatic tapping machine, lathe, drilling machine, or manual tapping machine.